Ano?
Tingnan mo kung may turtles, kung may turtle na maliit. Kasi
turtle.
tingin it's ano, maraming turtle dito. What is it for?
Alin yung
All this stuff.
horse
These are the things they're looking for. So we
Coach,
should
pala
start
coach.
looking for ano. Tara, even this thing oh, these are nice decoration for me. Diba? Let's go, babe.
Ano tong area na
This is
to?
the one that I saw, huh?
Ano tong area na to?
Ito?
Anong
Barefoot Beach. Let's go here.
Ah,
Barefoot Beach. Baka malangin back mo, babe. Di nila help. Ha?
okay lang.
Relax ka doon, ano?
Yan, ano.
This is the Barefoot Beach. Alam mo?
There?
Bare.
Oh, there.
Bare. B-A-R-E-F-O-O-T. Foot Beach. This is the one I'm looking for.
Hangin na.
Yeah, it's morning. We're on Earth. That's why there's air.
Ngayon may nag-ano rin. Ayun.
Uh-huh.
Meron silang ano lang. Yung ang tawag na aerobics.
Robby, maybe we should join. Do you wanna join? Bayad na.
Kaya sa atin okay lang to?
Ay, mali tayo na outfit. Yeah.
Nagano tayo.
We should get our water, ano?
Yeah.
Water fit. Oh my gosh. Excited.
Balik ulit sa kotse. Palit ng ano, water shoes.
Forgetful. Forgetful. Ay, eto ang water shoes eh.
Oh.
Tara na. We don't have to go back. Oh my God, I'm getting older. This is what the night shift did to me. Joke. No, I'm just getting younger. Joke.
Hindi, na-confused ka lang kasi
Sinor.
sinabi ko lang na ano, naguluhan ka lang.
Naka-oriented kasi tayo. Good morning.
Good morning! Ang mabait ng mga Amerikano rito.